The purpose of the Fab Lab is to support local small businesses and artists, giving them access to digital manufacturing equipment. Working with the schools, that came through the SPF funding. We've run near on 160, 170 workshops, and they've been great. This specific workshops that we're running now for Bridgend is to encourage those that are kind of teetering on the edge of leaving education and not going into further education, to give them a little bit of insight about what it's like to be at university and making it fun.
This is my first university I've come and visited. It's been a great time. I've really enjoyed building stuff and visiting loads of machinery with me and my friends.
On every school so far, we've had amazing feedback, including that 4 or 5 that were not thinking of staying on in further education have changed their mind and are looking at design or art-based further education. So, I mean, that for us is absolutely fantastic.
We've had feedback from a few of the teachers from various schools saying that they've got students that are now interested in taking it further and either looking into DT or wanting to go to university and thinking about it, even though they're only 13 years old.
So I had a couple of mates downstairs. They've had no interest in any of this really, and they've came throughout the last 2 days and they've really found some interest in doing stuff like this.
We give them access to laser cutters, 3D printers and 2D design software. Challenge them to make the fastest car, simple as that.
We had to design what vehicle we wanted. We had to go measure the tracks to see what more measurements we need, etc. And then we went to the computers to go put all the measurements in and get all the shapes. Then we went to the 3D printer to print it out. And then we've just been doing loads of test runs, etc.
On day 1, they'll have a chat from our student engagement team, which just introduce them to higher education and show how people have gone on to be successful in their roles. On day 2, we have the entrepreneurship team. That's an introduction on starting their own business, and actually have got great content from children of their age having started businesses and how further and higher education can support that entrepreneurship.
The young girls actually is quite good because it seems to be a trend that a lot of them don't often think about it. And then once they've sat down and done a workshop, they kind of think about it a bit more in a different way. I think it is achievable for them.
We love working with the students in the School of Art and Design. That small portion of our time has always been something we're passionate about. And then working with a much younger age group and being able to input into their lives at such an early age and hopefully sow that seed, it's really, really important. And we don't, like I said, we don't want them to end.
We are a bit rushed in school. We don't really do stuff like this inside of school, but it's been very good to come out and experience this. It's been good, very good.